Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Dennis from Crypto Planet, also the Crypto Jew here and on Twitter. And today we're going to be doing a tutorial for the decentralized EtherFlyer cryptocurrency exchange. This is an exchange that specializes in ERC20 tokens. You'll find a lot of tokens here that you won't find in different exchanges. For example, I purchased ACU on this exchange because the only other place to get it is LA token, and I personally don't really trust LA token. And there is not as much volume on LA token, so I prefer to go with an exchange like this. And this has more real volume than LA token as well. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use the link that I have in the description down below in order to sign up. If you haven't, that's fine. You'll just get a discount on trading fees if you use my link. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a new wallet. Over here, I have my wallet address. I click on this. And this gives me the option to create a wallet here, or I can upload my JSON file and import my wallet. Once you create a wallet, they will give you this file and you can just upload that and you get right into your wallet. So there's no login on this exchange. You just have to remember your wallet information. So you're going to get your private keys here and you want to keep that somewhere secure and safe. You don't want to lose that because then you'll lose your cryptocurrency. And the exchange has no control over this. It's completely decentralized. So it's very important that you act responsible and take care of that information. Whether you write it down, put it in a safe, do whatever you have to do to keep it secure and safe. So once you create your wallet, you're going to want to use the link down below. Like I said, you're going to go to my assets and you're going to deposit currency using that address that was shown up over here. So I'm going to bring you back there so you can see that quick. I accidentally skipped over that, but you would copy this address here and you would send Ethereum to this address. And then you're going to go to My Assets after you send Ethereum there. And your Ethereum is going to show up. You're going to want to click Hide Zero Balances here. You're going to want to get rid of that. And then you are going to deposit your Ethereum into the actual exchange. So you have it in your wallet here, but it's not actually in the exchange. So let's say I have this amount of Ethereum right here, and I want to deposit it. So I'm going to type in 0.000 4. I'm just going to type in 4 and I'm going to do the slow option. That means it actually costs you a certain amount of Ethereum in order to transfer your Ethereum here. So I try to go with the slow option. I could care less how long it takes for it to get into the exchange. It may take 10 minutes about, and I'll just pay less in fees in order to do that. So in my opinion, that's what you should do. So I'm going to type in my password and do that right now. Okay, so this amount is actually so small that I can't even deposit it. I do have other Ethereum in here in my account that I'm using to purchase a specific altcoin. But you guys will definitely have more than that in here. You're going to want to deposit that in order to actually have it on the exchange. Of course, use the slow option and just wait for it to get there. Now that once you have it there, you're going to want to go to the exchange and you're going to want to trade and purchase whatever coins you'd like to purchase, unless you're just holding your Ethereum here. So you're going to go to the exchange over here and you're going to click main board. And this has brought me to the most recent cryptocurrency that I was trying to purchase. And let's say you want to buy this at the last price. You would click on 1682. Well, you could change it. You click on that, and then you change it to whatever you want to buy it at. So I wanted to buy at 13. So I don't have any Ethereum left in here. I have it actually in the buy order. So I have to wait until that is hit in order to actually purchase my Ethereum. But I would just click buy here and I'd be able to buy this asset once the price gets reached. Or I could just pick this right here and I can buy it at that price. But I'd rather wait, get it at a cheaper price as this coin does not have a lot of volume and it is very volatile. Now, if you want to sell, it's the same sort of thing. You just put how much you want to sell and then you click sell. Really simple, guys. Besides trading on this exchange, there's other options for airdrops. There's news. There's also staking. You could stake. You could also check your orders. But I think that's pretty much it for the tutorial. I want to keep this short and sweet. If you guys enjoyed this, join my Telegram chat down below. I post a lot of market analysis. Make sure to subscribe and also sign up on my website for fantastic news updates every day and great market analysis there as well, plus free courses and premium courses. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Take care.